Gizmodo is the best way to sell your phones, laptops, game consoles, and much more. If you're selling tech, just find the device, select the condition, and we'll give you a free instant quote. No more wasted time with listings, meetups with strangers. No more lowball offers from carriers. No more hassle. Whether you're selling phones, cameras, tablets, laptops, just tell us what it is and we'll tell you what it's worth. Simple. And at Gizmodo, you can be assured that your data is safe, as we conduct a thorough data wiping 7 times according to the DoD standards. Plus, we pay more than any carrier or buyback program, so you can be assured that you're getting the most for your device, with the peace of mind that it gets recycled safely. And with our free unlimited shipping, you're guaranteed to get the price quoted or we'll return it for free. So find out today why everyone is selling at Gizmodo. Fast, safe, simple. Gizmodo, the best way to sell your tech.
Greetings everyone and welcome to today's tutorial video. In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up or create departments on Sage Payroll. We're going to be utilizing this particular tutorial question appearing on the screen to create our departments for Shopwell Designs Pty Ltd. Just an understanding on the importance of departments. Departments in Sage Payroll matter because they help you categorize employees based on their roles, their teams, or even locations. This organization is essential for various purposes, from accurate payroll processing to generating department-specific reports. Before we dive into today's lesson, I'd like to mention if you are interested in gaining access to this software, whether for free usage, subscription purchase, or a physical product purchase, we have a collection of blog posts that can provide you with the guidance you need. So feel free to interact with those blog posts appearing right there on the screen, which will take you through. Firstly, if you want to use this software for free, Sage has an option for you to use the software for 30 days on a free trial. And rest assured, Sage will never request your banking details during this free trial, as this is completely free. It's a risk-free opportunity for you to evaluate whether Sage Payroll aligns with your payroll management needs. This blog post has been also included in the description below. So if you want to go and learn how to use the software for free on a 30 days free trial, then you can interact with this particular blog post. For those considering Sage as their go-to solution for accounting and payroll, we highly recommend you checking this particular blog post right here, which is titled Why Sage Includes Special Coupons, Discounts, Unlock Savings. This post provides valuable insights into securing significant discounts and coupons when you register or buy a Sage products through our Sage Partner affiliate links, which are updated on a regular basis. So these are the coupons that you can go and utilize for you to make substantial savings on your software subscriptions. Whether it's for yourself or for someone close to you, or maybe the company that you're working for wants to get a subscription for Sage Payroll, then we recommend that you check out this particular blog post right here. If you'd like to go and get a subscription on one of Sage solutions, be it Sage Cloud Accounting, be it Sage Payroll, be it Sage HR, be it Sage Intect, among others, and you'd like to make a great saving on your subscription, you can use the coupons that we have on this blog post, which are updated on a regular basis. So we'll ensure that we continue to add more coupons and savings for you to benefit. So we recommend for you to save this particular blog post somewhere and regularly interact with it if you want to go and get a subscription on a discounted price, either for you, for the person next to you, any person that you know want to get the subscription on one of Sage solutions, or it might be your company want to get a subscription on one of these solutions. You can go and utilize these particular coupons for you to make substantial savings. So if you want to get one of the coupons on this blog post, you just go and click just next to that particular coupon, which will take you to Sage website on this particular screen, where you can go and utilize the coupon for you to make the saving. In addition to the blog post that I have presented to you, we offer other valuable content on this blog. If you'd like to perhaps check it out and see what other content that we have, which might be of benefit to you. For example, if you want to go and strengthen your digital armor with Bitdefender, we also have discounts included in that blog post. We have other blog posts such as Sage University. If you want to go and get certified for free as a Sage Payroll practitioner, Sage Accounting practitioner, you can go and read out on that blog post how to join the Sage Champion program. You can also go on to read on our blog. If any of these blog posts were of value to you, we recommend that you connect with our blog community and support our growth by liking, sharing, and commenting on our content. Big thanks to you in advance. We appreciate you. So let's dive into today's lesson, which is adding departments on Sage Payroll. Firstly, when you open Sage Payroll, this is the screen that is going to be displayed. To add the departments, you need to make sure firstly that you select the appropriate or the correct entity on this pane right here. So in this tutorial video, we're going to add the departments on Shopwell. So I make sure that I selected Shopwell Designs. And then once you select on the company, all the cycles in the company will appear on the screen. As you can see on this particular company, we only have one cycle relating to salaries. So if you have multiple cycles, be it salaries, wages, biannually, you must make sure that you go and select the correct cycle on which you want to add your departments. So in this case, we're going to add our departments on the salary cycle. Once you open the cycle that you want to add the departments on, this is the screen that is going to appear. You need to go to Employee, Create or Add New Employee. Go to Employment Details. Then you are ready to add your departments. These are the departments that we're going to add, which is GM, General Management, SC, Sales Consultant, FW, relating to factory workers. So I'm just gonna go on to Sage Payroll and add those departments. To add the department, you need to go and hover over to department field right there and click on those To add the department, you need to go and hover over to department and click on those drop down menu, and then this screen is going to appear. You click on add to add your departments. The first department that you're going to add relates to general management. So I'm just gonna copy and paste it there. The next department that we need to add, it relates to sales consultants, which I'll also copy and paste it there. The last department that we need to add is factory workers, which I'll also copy and paste over there. Now, with the code, this is a short alphanumeric code which might relate to codes used in your work roster or accounting system. The description is self-explanatory. This is the description that will be printed on reports and employee payslips. You click on the link checkbox if the employee must be linked to one of these particular departments. For you to delete one of the departments, you need to go and just click on that cross right there, which will delete a department. Once you add your departments, you click on save to make sure that your departments are successfully saved. Then you will notice that once you add an employee, you add the employee's details, you add the employee's contact details and everything, you will be able to link the employee to one of the departments that you have created. So this marks the end of today's tutorial lesson. If you found this tutorial video to be helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share the video with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more Sage Payroll tutorials and other helpful content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until next time.
Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe.